You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, more pronunciations, stay tuned. So there are slightly different pronunciations, including in English. Now, this is a fairly common name coming from France, also Latin, Italian. French, Marius. That's the French pronunciation, Marius. Italian, Marius. Latin also, Marius. In English, you may hear slightly different pronunciations. Some may say Marius, Marius, or Marius, and kind of anything in between, like Marius, 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 anything in between Marius and Marius. Marius is essentially how you pronounce it in English, the English pronunciation. Did you get this? Can you hear the slight differences in pronunciation depending on the accent? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.